Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a k3s agent node in the k3s cluster. So right now we have two nodes in the cluster, big IP, a fake node. This is the Rancher k3s master node. And so we want to add a agent node to the cluster. So how we add an agent node? Let's see here. So when the k3s cluster master node startup, it will have a log, something like this, to show you how to join a node to cluster. With k3s agent -s, the master API server, and the token. So where is the token is? The token is here on the var lib rancher k3s server. So this is a token file, and yeah, so that's the token file. So here's how I start the, this is the agent node. So I'm going to start up the k3s agent node as like this, k3s agent server to the API server. The token file, you can use the token file to specify this. So basically I copied this token file to the agent node here, and then use token file to specify the token, and also with final interface and the node IP, because I have multiple network interface on the agent node. And by the way, for the final, I think in my previous video, I deployed the final daemon set. Actually, it's not needed. The k3s already have a final built-in, and so you don't need to apply a separate final daemon set. So you don't need to configure any final stuff. So that's another thing to be aware, and I think it's good. So yeah, I can show you. So when the cluster master startup, it actually shows you the final configuration. Say k3s group final. Yeah, so as you can see here, k3s already has final built-in, so you don't need to deploy final daemon set and configure final. Yeah, so okay, let's start our agent node like this. By the way, right now I'm running. Okay, let's start it. So we started the agent node with k3s, and so here we started, and k3 agent 0.50 release, and so yeah. By the way, this is the way to start the agent node. It will fail if you start the k3s agent node from systemd services. And I found this bug. I filed a bug report here in the k3s. So if you start an agent node with systemd services, the agent node will fail to create a pod when you deploy a Nginx pod or any other pod. That's a bug. And yeah, so say I start a systemd, I start a k3s agent node like this in the systemd services. It will fail to create an Nginx pod, and yeah, it will stuck in the container creating. So this is a bug, just so you know. So that's why I started the agent node from the command line. Okay, and so let's see if the master node see the agent node. Okay, so now it's reload. K3s agent node is ready, and let's see what pod we are having. So right now we have the big IP controller pod running and a core DNS pod running. So let's deploy an Nginx pod and see if the Nginx pod can be run on the agent node. So we deployed a 2 Nginx pod. Let's see if the pod is running. Okay, that's fast. So 2 pod running. 1 pod is on the master node. 1 pod is on the agent node. So let's deploy the F5 ingress and to deploy virtual server on big IP. Good. So this is the ingress IP address, which is a virtual server IP on the big IP. And let's see, go to the big IP, LTM virtual. Okay, so it's deployed LTM virtual with this virtual IP. Let's see the pool. So this is a pool. 2 pod IP. This should match the Nginx pod 202.2.2.2, right? So it's deployed successfully. Let's test the virtual, send a request to the virtual server, big IP virtual server. Okay, so it's get an Nginx response back, right? We'll send the test again, send the test again. Okay, works. Yeah, that's about it.